also to become a farmer, not just a farmer, but a successful farmer. Okay, let me tell you about the story behind my brand. Actually, I realized that Anambra State soil, is fertile, not just fertile, but very, very fertile to grow all kinds of vegetable crops that you desire to grow. And contrary to this common, or let me say the popular misconception that it's only in the northern part of Nigeria that you can grow all these vegetable crops like the cucumber, the carrots, cabbage, lettuce, and the rest of them. But you see, this is a fallacy that has been fabricated to us over the years, that all these things cannot grow in Anambra State. So I had to make my research. So I had to make my research over the years, and I found out that even Anambra State soil is very fertile to grow all these vegetable crops. They do well, very, very well here. So this brought about me inventing my brand, Oagro. Okay, so it's as a result, I would say that my story that revolves around my brand is as a result of me, as a result of my passion for agriculture, which brought about my brand, All Agro and Tools Global. Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Then our Ogiri professor, tell us what brought you into the Ogiri business.
Thank you very much for the question. What actually motivated me to go into production of ogiribo and other natural spices was in 2020 when my late mom was diagnosed of cancer, and the doctor, the oncologist that was taking care of us, asked us, in fact, he gave us some diets that we have to move to, and part of the things he listed is that we have to switch to natural spices and natural foods and fruits. So it motivated me to go into research, and I found out that while in the course of doing the research, I found it so interesting in creating some of these spices by myself. And because of doing that, I equally found out that I can actually sell these products and also become financially independent, and that was what actually pushed me into the production of ogiribo and other natural spices. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Demotive Fashion. Tell us, how did you get into the fashion business?
Okay, thank you so much, my coordinator. The main reason was as a plus size lady, and fashion is what we do every day. We cannot do away with our clothing. And as a plus size lady, I found it difficult to get a perfect fitting from my tailors. I said, this is a problem and it's a challenge to many plus size ladies in this side of our country. So I said I can go into it and design better wears for us. And that's the main reason I entered doing fashion and clothing. Apart from that, I found out that on this part of our place, we find it difficult to get good fashion tutors where we mentor students, where we train students to be good and perfect in fashion academy. So that's brought about our brand, the Motive Fashion Academy, where we design wear different wears for plus size ladies, and we organize classes for students from beginners, intermediate, and advanced classes. Thank you so much.
Thank you. The cooperative lady. So tell us, what made you to get into the cooperative and gather people and get into farming?
Honestly, I'm still a cooperative head, Progressive Farmers Network, Agwata. Mostly, the most important reason why I enter the cooperative section is because many people lack the knowledge of farming. Some know the knowledge, but they cannot venture into it. So there are so many people around me that they needed how to cultivate, how to make things, all these vegetable, very nutritive one. Then I now look into the space and say, let me call them together for us to start doing the farming, especially the vegetable, cucumber, watermelon, garbage, and a lot of others. So that's why, and I know that the vegetable is very, very important in our cookings, that we cannot do without vegetable in all the cooking we are doing in our home, in our various homes.
Okay, I see you have a lot of packaged and finished products. You are into processing too?
Yes, we are into cucumber, both cucumber, others. Then this potato is one of our
Products.
one of our products.
Okay.
And we decided to process it because most of us into the cooperative is into processing already.
Okay.
So I'm into this particular product.
Okay.
That's why we venture into process.
Okay. And we are hoping to see some of these your products at Kainzua here.
Yes.
Okay. Wonderful product we have here. Lots of wonderful products. Remember, you can call us on 070-6538-1320. You can call us on 070-6538-1320. You can call in. We have lots of wonderful vendors. And remember, you can join as a vendor. Even if you don't want to be a vendor, make sure that on the 25th of October, that you are live here on ABS. Come and share ideas. Come and look at what Anambra business vendors are doing. Support Anambra local business community. Let's quickly take this call. Hello, good afternoon. Hello. Okay, so we lost that call. So at Kainzua here, coming up on Saturday, the 25th of October, we are bringing everything. This set of vendors, remember the last 2 weeks we've been spotlighting our vendors. Wonderful products. Come there. They have vendor stand. You will meet each and every one of them with their products. They've told you their journey, how they started. And remember, at Kainzua here, we are not just spotlighting them. We are not just giving them vendor space. Our vendors will get into an entrepreneurial journey with us, from trainings, from structuring their business, from giving them access to market, and from giving them that needed visibility that will help them to attract opportunities and finance. That is what we are bringing to the table at Kainzua here. If you want to be a vendor, our vendor stand is still open. You could call us on 081 331 69949. 081 331 69949. Okay, so quickly, Mr. Salatex Paints, what are you expecting from Kainzua here? Just very, very quick and brief.
Okay, thank you so much. Indeed, what I'm expecting on Kainzua here is a lot of customers. People that have been facing challenges on some certain issues concerning paint and screening, even at POP level. Let them come around on Kainzua Fair Day, and they will have the standard and quality paint and screening bond they can ever think of from Celotex Paint and Chemical Industry. Our phone number 070 344 33177. 070 344 33177. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. So you heard that. You are not just buying paints. You are coming so that if you have any inquiry, if you have anything bothering you, even if they want to go into paint, I think you have opportunity to actually train or enroll people that wants to get into this painting.
Yes, of course. Right now, we are into a partnership with 1U2 Skill of Mr. Governor. My office there is a center for it, which we have trained more than 50 to 60 persons.
Wow.
We're also in partnership with Industrial Training Fund, that is ITF. They send us trainees that wants to partake on paint production. So we educate them, teach them, because I have this hobby of teaching. I love teaching people. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let's quickly take this call. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon, I can hear you. Okay, quickly, Mercy Agro. So, what are your expectations? What are you telling customers? What do customers expect from Owagu? Quickly.
Okay. Actually, I'll be expecting a lot of customers. And also, what my customers will be expecting from me is, firstly, they will be expecting quality seeds that are viable. They will also be expecting quality agricultural farm inputs like our fertilizers, both the organic and inorganic fertilizer, both our agrochemicals, And we'll also be giving free consultation for anyone who wants to engage in farming this dry season. Okay, so just like I said, you'll be expecting quality vegetable seeds. Just like our first lady will always say, every woman should own a garden. Not only women, every person in Anambra State should own a garden. So it's very important. Come to my stand on that Sky Zwafia Day. You will buy quality vegetable seeds. It's very important, like the carrot, cabbage, lettuce, all those vegetable seeds that you doubt they don't grow here. I will give them to you, and I'll also teach you on how to go about it to get your desired result. So if you want my number is 07062 515 446. I repeat, 07062 515 446.
Okay, thank you very much, Owa Agro. You heard that. Any kind of seed that you want, even the seeds that we believe that doesn't grow in the southeast, she has told us that most of these seeds can be grown. She has the best species. So if you're a farmer, you want to get into farming, this is an opportunity for you to come. She has very nice species to give to you at very affordable prices so that you could actually be a farmer. And like our first lady will always encourage every young man, and she rightly said, every young woman, every youth should be a farmer. Thank you very much. And our Ogiribo professor, so talk to us.
Okay, thank you. What you should expect from me is pure, undiluted, organic ogribo, opei, and other natural spices that are organically produced. No mixture. That is what you expect from us. And also, what I expect from all of you is pure patronage. I expect you to come and patronize us and buy our products. And you can equally get us on our WhatsApp and phone number on 07035355807. I repeat, 07035355807. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. The motive fashion, what are we expecting of you, and what also do you expect from Kaizwa here?
Okay, thank you so much, guys. So I'm here, which will be coming up on 25th of October. You're expecting a lot of wears, ready from adults, pants, that is trouser and blouses, kiddies, that is female kiddies, all small wears for your children because the Yuletide is around the corner. You'll be expecting more of products like fabrics, different colors from Jonkoso and vintage, and we have a lot of fashion tools like pattern drafting tools that we use in our fashion academy. So to reach us on that very day, you call us on 07034341129. I repeat, 07034341129. On that very day also, I'll be networking with a lot of people. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. You heard it right. Networking with a lot of people, which is the reason why we are at Kaizwa here. So they are not just selling, it's an opportunity to network. And I'm very sure, I know also that you are also into training.
Yes, sir.
You train people.
Sure.
So at Kaizwa here, I'm looking at people, young people, that wants to get into fashion designing. When they come up to you, I hope there will be opportunity to get trained also.
And there's a lot of opportunity for them to be trained under the Multi Fashion Academy Limited, because right now we partner with Anambra State Government on 1U2 skill program. Also, we've registered with ITF, that is Industrial Training Fund, Anambra State chapter, for training of students, ranging from beginners class to advanced class.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. So, young people out there, you've heard it. The government has shown that 1U2 skill program is working, and some of them are already training on behalf of the government. If you want to get trained in any of these skills, make sure you are at Kaizwa here on the 25th of October. They will get you trained. And getting back to our cooperative. So tell us, what are we expecting from you? What are the products you are coming with? Are you coming with fresh products from the farm? Are we expecting anything fresh from the farm? What are you bringing to the table? What are a vendor? As a vendor, what are you also expecting from Kaizwa here?
On that very day, 25th of October, we are coming up with our fresh cucumber.
Wow, fresh from the farm?
Yes.
Beautiful.
And we also come with fresh cabbage.
Wow.
We also come with our potato chips, produced and processed by Progressive Powers Network. And we will also come with our okra, and all these are processed, planted in Anambra here. And the seeds are also gotten from Anambra here, from Oahu.
Wow. Wow.
The lady with us here.
Wow.
So everything
That's beautiful.
we carry ourselves along.
Wow.
And that is the most important thing.
Wow.
We rise by
Lifting others.
That is
Yes, exactly.
So on that day, we were expecting from the Kaizwa here to at least let people know this is what we do and we can grow here in Anambra.
Exactly.
Every of the seeds that they think that are not growing in Anambra here, we can actually grow it.
Exactly.
But the only
Exactly.
thing is that we know the plants and the time for it. And getting those seeds, you can also get us on our phone number 070 3484 3330. I repeat, 070 3484 3330. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You heard that they are networking already. Uwa Agro is making a lot of inputs, even in the cooperatives. Most of the seeds they are using is coming from Uwa Agro. You can also network. You can also come. You could also ensure that you are part of this epoch-making event. Make sure that on the 25th of October, you are at Kainzua here. Remember, you could follow us on Facebook. Just go to Facebook and type Kainzua here. You will see us on Facebook. You will follow us for live updates and information. Remember, share this post. Ensure that you share this post. Make sure that you get your children, your colleagues, your friends, your business associates to be with us at Kainzua. It promises to be very engaging. We are not just buying and selling. We are networking. We are learning. We hope that you'll be there. Come and support Anambra business community. Look at what the impact that these entrepreneurs are making at their local niches. This is what we want to showcase to the world. Anambra, we have a lot to showcase. We have a lot to tell the world. That is why we are bringing this platform to give visibility to these entrepreneurs, to support what they are doing, and to support Anambra business community. We are not just giving them a place to buy and sell. We are creating a community that, just like our governor, Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, has always promised that Anambra State will be a place where investors will come. People all around the world will come and live, enjoy the goods of Anambra. That is what we are also doing to showcase what these young entrepreneurs have to Anambra. Make sure you are a part of us. Join us as we conclude. Join us next week, Sunday, as we unleash another set of vendors. Have you registered to be a vendor? If you have not, call us on 081 33169949. 081 33169949. Until we come to you again next Sunday, keep living, keep building, and keep motivating yourself. See you next Sunday and have a nice week. Thank you very much.